Okay, so I'm gonna start tearing down the shed because it's looking pretty old. It's been here for, since we got this house. And so I think it's time to tear it down because it's kind of rotting on the floor, and it's just time to replace it. See, this is all. So that's like all from, that's all from water damage right there. And then the door too is like falling apart. So, so, so the plan is to just tear down this old shed and then put a new shed. I'm still deciding what type of shed to get, but we'll see. So that's the plan. So as you can see right here, this is like the port attached to the shed, and this one has some serious water damage. Right here is a big hole in the middle. So I'm just gonna get rid of all this because it's been here for a long time, ever since the house was purchased. So that, both of them, the shed and the port, will be removed. That's the plan. So demo day, I had this dude help out, and he actually brought his kids with him to help with the actual demo, which I guess is pretty cool when you think about it, because I mean, just to make everything efficient, right? All the help we can get is obviously a good thing. Right here you could see most of the frame is already removed. It's not so bad. Some of the plywood is still okay, but I just didn't want to have it anymore, so it's time to get rid of that. Right here it's halfway done. As you can see, there's a big mess, but this was all pretty much, you know, just about an hour or so, and it was already torn down. It was pretty quick in terms of removing the shed. As you can see, it's all done, nice and clean right here, and now it's just a matter of throwing the rest of the extra trash. The whole idea is to put a new shed in that spot. So before I actually put a new shed, I'm actually gonna put a new plywood underneath that little port right there for the pool equipment. As you can see, there's like a sort of a hole underneath. I'm gonna go ahead and cover that up. So right here you see me painting some plywood that we are going to put as part of the back wall. My guy right there is cutting some wood. Right here I'm just doing some painting. As you can see, I'm painting white to match the pool roof. Right there, as you can see, getting ready to put those up. You can see the post right there. One more post to be put up. Right here I have it painted and getting ready to put up the back wall. As you can see, one of the plywoods is already installed right there, ready to go. So all I have to do is repaint those white. Right here, as you can see, I painted that back wall white, and that's what's going to be on the right side as well. Just getting that done, just to have some type of wall or the pool pump roof. And now just getting this plywood situated. I think it's too high still, and I would like to add another plywood underneath, and so I'm going to do that. So here's the other plywood that I cut, and now I'm ready to have it installed. This piece of plywood so that the wall would go lower. I couldn't go any lower than this because there is a faucet down there, so this is about as low as I can go. I need to retighten the screws because I ran out of juice, but this is what I did right here. This plywood was sticking out, so I had to put these two pieces. I have to repaint all this stuff. I'll probably have to repaint back here as well. So that's pretty much it for this episode. I just wanted to show how we were able to add 2 posts to hold that roof in place because we removed the old shed, and adding a wall on the right side and the back side and painting it. Of course, adding an extra piece down there just to make that wall on the right side much lower, and just I think it's better for the pool pump.